Inside this box is a 200-litre Waterbutt, which we're now going to show you how to assemble. You'll find the following items: 3 Waterbutt sections, top, middle and bottom, lid, stand, tap, and a downpipe connector kit with inlet bayonet. Start with the stand. Make sure you position it on level ground with the hollow side face down and the indent facing outwards. This is to fit a bucket under the tap. Place the smallest section of the butt on top of the stand. It will sit within these raised edges. There's no need to crawl inside to fit the tap. Undo the nut and washers. Place either side of the hole. Hand tighten to ensure the tap won't leak when the butt is full of water. Now place the large and middle sections upside down with the O-rings facing up. Check they are positioned in the grooves. Lift the middle section onto the top section. Push down to connect the sections together. You'll need a little force to connect the 2 sections together. You'll hear a click when the sections connect correctly. Turn 90 degrees and push down again, repeating until the 2 sections are sealed tightly together. Take the bottom section and place on the floor, then turn over the top 2 sections, fitting on top and secure in place. Once again, make sure the sections are sealed tightly together. Attach the downpipe bayonet in place on one side of the top section, closest to the drain pipe. Make sure the washer is on the inside of the butt wall and hand tighten. Now fit the hose and downpipe connector kit in place. There is an additional bung that can be fitted in the other hole if not connecting to another butt. Lift the sections back onto the stand and secure in place. Finally, place the lid on top of the butt and turn 90 degrees while pressing down lightly. You'll feel it drop into place. Lift the lid slightly to ensure it is fitted securely. That's it. Your ButtinaBox is now fully assembled and you can now connect to your drain pipe.